Hi, welcome everybody. Remember the show about Miscanthus Grass, where Chris burns down the Miscanthus Grass and shows us what to do? Well, this episode is going to show us how the Miscanthus Grass is growing and thriving.
Okay, so today we have a west wind. That sounds crazy. Why do I need to know the wind direction? Because this stuff goes up in flames. Now if it's near your house, you want to make sure the wind is not blowing towards your house, because when you do that, it could catch your house on fire, for real. So we have a west wind, the wind's blowing that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start my flame on this side, that way it'll burn up that way. So this is ornamental grass. It's from Japan. It's Miscanthus grass. It's beautiful. It's a pretty grass. See how it does? But we have a west wind, so here's what we do. We get ready. We always have water. You need buckets of water, and that's what you need, or a water hose. I always have the water hose when I'm near my house. Now this stuff will really take off. The wind's blowing real bad. Now you know why I check the wind. You see how that burns? So we have a fire that's getting out of control, so we need to maintain it. But that's how you cut down your Miscanthus grass, instead of using clippers. And this right here gets rid of the thatch.
Remember our last episode where we burnt down the Japanese decorative grass? Yes, so we wanted to show you now how it's thriving. See how beautiful and lush it is. It's just amazing. And so Chris did an awesome job. And we want to show you the other Miscanthus grass as well, how well it is doing.
Thank you for watching the Chris and Tina Johnson project.